Konnichiwa! Ever wonder why Japanese people often look so youthful and full of life? One of their secrets is in the drinks they enjoy daily. Today, we're checking out a video by Samurai Matcha featuring 8 super drinks from Japan that are great for digestion, energy, and overall wellness. Okay, starting off strong with Sayu. Hot water but make it fancy. Sayu looks like regular hot water pero hindi lang siya basta init from the kettle. You boil it for 10 minutes, let it cool down to around 50 degrees, then drink it. It's great for digestion and immunity, especially when you drink it first thing in the morning. Simple but powerful habit. Number 2 on the list, pine needles. Trust me, it's better than it sounds. Yes, you can drink pine needles. It's packed with amino acids and known to help with skin health and blood pressure. To make it, just blend 5 to 10 grams of pine needles with water, strain, and enjoy. Ang fresh nga and super revitalizing. Next up, Postbiotic Drink. Your gut is gonna thank you for this one. Gut health is so important and this drink is a powerhouse. It's fermented with over 100 ingredients, veggies, fruits, mushrooms, seaweeds for an entire year. Lasang plum juice siya and you can mix it with water or sparkling water. Helps you feel lighter, more energized, and improve digestion. Coming in at number 4, Aojiru, the OG green juice from Japan. Aojiru is Japan's green juice, made from kale, parsley, celery, carrots, apples, and lemon. It's loaded with vitamins and minerals to help detox and boost energy. You can buy it powdered or blend it fresh. Mas masarap pa kung ikaw mismo ang gagawa. And of course, it wouldn't be a proper list without Amazake. Amazake is called drinkable IV because it's packed with B vitamins, fiber, and glucose. Made from fermented rice malt, it's naturally sweet and super comforting. Aling siya lalo sa malamig na panahon, perfect pampainit. Next one's a no-brainer. Green tea's got to be on the list. You probably already know green tea, but did you know cold brewing makes it even smoother? Just steep 10 grams of green tea leaves in water for a few hours. It's refreshing, full of antioxidants, and a staple in every Japanese home. Now, this one's iconic and my personal favorite. Matcha, the drink of tea masters. Matcha is finely ground green tea full of antioxidants and known for its calming energy boost. Traditionally used in tea ceremonies, it's now a modern wellness favorite. Basta gusto mo maging focused and energized, matcha's your bestie. And to wrap it up, Kuzu-yu. Smoothing, warming, and also underrated. Kuzu-yu is made from kudzu powder and hot water, with a bit of honey if you like it sweet. It's perfect when you're feeling under the weather or just want something warm and soothing. Nakakagaan sa tiyan and perfect for chill nights. So, which one of these Japanese drinks would you love to try first? Whether you're after better digestion, more energy, or just a new healthy habit, these are worth adding to your routine. That's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can also comment below with your thoughts. For more health information, just visit our website at getbetter.ph.